Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. What gasoline injection system cleaner would you recommend? I am going to recommend it. It is the one that we use in the workshop. They do not pay me to advertise it, but hey, since you follow me on the channel, I share this information with you. This one that I am using from the Liquimali brand. The truth is that it works very good. We have used many, but with this one, we have been using it for a long time, and we are happy. It is a solvent. It is a powerful solvent. To think that gasoline itself is a solvent, it is even more powerful. So, what it does is clean the injection system. It cleans the injectors, it also cleans valves, cleans pistons, and well, it reduces black smoke. At first, in fact, when you add it, if the system is very dirty, you will notice that at first it even smokes more, but it's because it's burning all the dirt. It doesn't do miracles. And if you have a clean engine you won't notice the difference, but if you already have a motor with many kilometers on it, which is dirty, you will notice, you will even notice, that in some engines, you will see that the revolutions drop, that it goes smoother, as I said, that it emits less smoke, and well, that consumption also drops a bit. I insist on it, that I don't get paid to advertise. But since you follow me on the channel, I think it's okay to share this information with you. We've tried many cleaners and the truth is that this one works quite well. Well, here's this video. If you like it has been useful, so do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.